So you guys, I know I look crusty as hell. Like, I look really crusty, and I know that, but I was so excited to do this for the first time. I was like, you know what, let me film it. Let me just film it. I might just like it. I might just actually enjoy it. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna be shaving my face. But before I do, hi guys, my name is Favor, or favoursayss, whichever way you want to call me. So please like, share, and subscribe. Do all of that fun stuff. I'm just a lifestyle girl, you know. I just do what I want to do, and you know, yeah. You guys, my lashes have been growing like intensively, very profusely. Is that how you say it? Like, is that how you say it? Profusely? But yeah, my lashes have been. That's not what we're going to talk about them. We're talking about my skin today. So to shave my face, the first thing I'm going to do is, please don't mind my dry ash crusty lips, but the first thing I'm going to do is take my arami oil. You guys, this is my go-to oil, like for my body. And I didn't even know that I didn't know that you could use it on your hair as well, but like, yeah, they actually advise you to also use on your hair. But I always use it just on my body. Anyways, this is the one that is not scented, which I am still mad about. I thought I bought the scented one, but the woman at the store gave me the one that is not scented. You in Lekki, I say you see me, okay? I came all the way from mainland to come and buy this shit, and you paid me. Not like she's gonna watch this video. But anyways, so I'm just gonna take arami oil. I'm so scared. I'm just gonna pour that on my face, like a good amount. Okay, I feel like I need to zoom in a little more. Yeah, focus though. That's the main cocoa of the. I didn't know how to go about it. Like, something was in my eye, sorry. Alright, let's go. I'm excited. Oh. So basically, you have to go the way your face is built. Sorry, not built. I mean like the way your hair grows.
Anti-beats, the maddest beat.
The music just turns me on.
Why is this fun?
Anti-beats, the maddest beat.
The music just turns me on.
So I just want you guys to see my face. Let me bring you guys a little. Yeah, like, do you see? Let me just got something like come on in. So you guys, here's my face. This is what I look like. Can't see though, like my face is still like pretty much the same. You guys can see it. Well, you guys, when I put niacinamide on my face, like after washing my face and all, the pain, oh my god, that was crazy. But that's the only thing that I was like iffy about. But yeah, anywho, my skin feels like a baby's bum, but it's cool. Like, it's not like crazy, like I've not felt before. It's cool. Like, the result I got wasn't so bad, you know. So anyways, I am so happy that I did this video finally. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, share and subscribe and do all of that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. You guys always forget to follow me on IG. Follow me on IG. I'll put my IG right here. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys